solve another equation on base. Let's solve an equation on base mathematics. And the question is, find R if 6R7 in base 8 is equals to 511 in base 9. I write my solution before I start. I write solution, write my solution. Okay. Then I start. What do I do next? I'll carry down these two numbers down first. I start with 6 R 7 8 is equals to, I come to this side and add the 5 equals to 5 1 1 in base what? In base 9. 6R7 base 8 is equals to 511 base 9. Okay, what do I do next? I expand these numbers in the power of their bases. I will expand 6R7 in the power of base 8 and 511 in the power of base 9. I go like this. I start, I write 6 times base 8 plus R times base 8. Okay, plus 7 times base 8. Yes, I'm finished with this side. Put my equals to is equals to, I come to this side, I start with 5. That 5 times base 9. This side is in base 9, so base 9 plus onto 1 times base 9 plus the last one 1 times 9 finally. Okay, now what do I do again? I assign powers to these bases as I raise these bases to powers. Like this, I start with this 9 and I start with 0. I come to the next second 9, 1. I come to the third 9, 2. Okay, 2. Okay, then I come to this side. What I did to this side, I will do to this side. I start with the first 8 and I start with 0. I give the first 8 0. Assign power 0 to the first 8. Second 8, assign power 1. Third 8, finally assign power 2 to the third. Assign power 2. Yes. Okay. What do I do again? I evaluate the bases with the powers. I evaluate the bases with the power. Like this, I carry down this 6 times 8 raised to power 2. 8 raised to power 2 means 8 times 2. And that is 64. Give me 64 plus, I carry down the R, times 8 raised to power 1 is still 8.
Any number raised to power 1 remains the same.
Plus I come to 7. I write the 7 times 8 raised to power 0. Anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this one will be 7 times 1. 7 times 1. I put my equals to. Then I come to this side. Count down the 5 first. Count down the times. I say 9 raised to power 2, which means 9 times 9. And it will give me 81. 81, put the plus onto this one, write the 1 times 9 raised to power 1. As I did here, 8 raised to power 1 is 8. So 9 raised to power 1 is still 9. And 10 raised to power 1 is the same number. So I put my 9. Put the plus, write 1 times 9 raised to power 0, just like here. 8 raised to power 0 is 1. 9 raised to power 0 it will also be 1, because anything raised to power 0 is 1. So this one, which is the 1 times 9 raised to power 0, will automatically become 1 times 1. Okay, 1 times 1. I continue. What do I do again? I multiply out. I say 6 times 64. 6 times 64 gives me what? 384. I write it down. 384 plus r times 8. Simple, give me 8r. 8r. Plus 7 times 1 gives me 7. Put my equals to. I come to this side. I say 5 times 81. 5 times 81 gives me 405. I write it 405. Okay. I put the plus. 1 times 9 will give me 9. I write my 9, put the plus. 1 times 1 give me 1. Okay, write my plus very well. What next? I sum up the numbers. Yes. I collect like term in each side. 384 and 7 are like terms. So I say 384 plus 7. It will give me what? It will give me 391. So I write it down. 391. Put the plus. 8r has no like, so I put it down. 8r. I come to equals to. I come to this side. I say 405 plus 9. It will give me 414. I say 414 plus 1 give me 415. So I write it down. 415. 415. I still go on to collect like terms. I want this 8r to stand alone and this number that doesn't have r to stand at the other side. So I now write it down. 8r. I say 8r is equals to, I write this one down, 415. And I carry this 391 come and meet this 415 in this side. And because here it is plus, there's an invisible plus here. When you now cross this equality sign and come to this side, it becomes minus. So I now say 415, carry this 391 come to this side, become minus 391. So I say minus 391. Okay, I go on. I continue. I count down my 8R. 8R is equals to, I do operation here. I say 415 minus 391. It will give us 24. So what I have here is 24. Because I'm solving for the value of R, I want this R to stand alone. And how do I do it? I will divide both sides of this equation by 8, which is the coefficient of R. So I will now say this side divided by this 8, okay, equals to this side, which is 24, divided by this 8, still this 8. Which should now give me 8 divide . So finally I say 8 divide 8. Then I have my R standing alone. R stand alone, yes. R stand alone. Put the equals to 8 divide 24. It gives me 3. It gives me 3. Which means the value of this R in this equation is 3.